Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Then let's keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode and enter system in this left section. Now scroll down and find developer options. So here we have to scroll down a little bit to find the option automatic system updates. All you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.